Hi, this is Sandy inside Cricket the Element. I had a couple people at the NorCal SoCal meetup in Santa Cruz ask about my soft-sided window cabinet that I made here. And there was a lot of people that saw my build and didn't know whose it was. So it was Cricket the Element, or me, Sandy. I handmade this. I made it out of upcycled materials. The main structure is a very heavy-duty, heavy-gauged wire that's used for industrial machines and stuff like in laundromats. So very highly conductive and very dense wire. So anyways, I got to use that. I cut that. I formed it all to the window. I made the different levels. I zip tied it together and gorilla taped it and zip tied it. And then I cut out all the canvas and the jean material. The jean material was from a pair of my husband's old pants that had ripped out, but I really liked the color of it. And of course, jeans is really heavy duty stuff. The only thing that isn't upcycled is this cool mountain design that I had found that I wanted to use in my build because I love the mountains. So anyways, yeah, this is a soft-sided cabinet that I'm right now using as my kitchen. And I just roll this up. The seat belt holds it in place, as well as I have a tie back at this point here that ties to my handle. And then I have an L bracket that slips just right in where the seatbelt comes out. And I have some shoestrings that fit through the holes that are in the bracket, so that holds it into the window. And it's really sturdy, works well. I have some mat board that's in here that actually helps give it some added structure as well. There's a mat board on the back. I insulated the other side to the window with some Reflectix, and there's 3 layers of fabric as well. And then my Reflectix, I'll grab this one. I left these inside as well, which are just my regular window blocks. I'll change the lighting in here a little bit. Anyways, so if you want to see how the seat belt here holds it in, can you see that up in there? This is the seat belt here. I kept it open so that I could just it's kind of hard to get it up in there, but that's the idea. You want to hold it in place, right? So it stays up in there. It creates a little shelf up here for other catch-all stuff. And there's magnets running here. Okay, so yeah, I got magnets running down here. I've got the little T-bar. I don't know what those are called actually, but anyways, little T-bar thing, and then magnets down the side here. This has this nice little, I don't know, it's kind of like a fold or pocket, but it holds nice. I can just roll this up messy and just slap that up there if I wanted to. Or, you know, like this side, I just roll it up. Usually I roll it the other way though, but you know, whatever works. If I'm in a rush. Pots and pans and my plates are in there. Got my little electric kettle for heating water up in the morning. I even got a little juicer blender in here. This comes in really handy. So, for those of you that were curious, wondering what this was and or how I made it, it's, like I said, the upcycled materials and all hand sewn. So yeah, it took me a little while to do it. I had to keep taking breaks in between to figure out how I wanted to put it together. Yeah, so there you go.